Hello everyone, today I'm going to build this one 75112 General Grievous. This is the buildable figure from Star Wars. For me, I think this is the best of the figure in this series because the other is the human body. It doesn't match with the technique part, but for this one, it's very matching the character. So I think this is the best of the product in this series. Okay, anyway, let's get started the video. Okay, finish. This one is a little bit bigger than I expected. Here is the finished set look like. For the buildable figure series in the Star Wars, I'm not the fan for this series because I don't think those ball joint and technique part can represent the human figure very well. But for this one, the General Grievous, because he is the robot, right? So for the technique and ball joint part can be represent the robot very well and give you the accurate feeling for the character. And this is the only one I like in this series, that's why I get this. And after I built that, I'm surprised the size is much bigger than I expected. So you see the minifigure at the bottom to compare the figure is much taller than the minifigure. And because the whole figure, all of them is connected by the ball joint, so all the connection is pretty feasible, and you can make any position you want to represent any action. And I think this figure is pretty cool if you're a Star Wars fan to put on the shelf to display. So I suggest you should get one to build it. So when I'm building the whole figure, first time I feel like pretty interesting because this is my first time to build this kind of figure. I think this is pretty similar to the Bionic. I haven't built it before, and I really feel pretty quick difference to the building the regular Lego set. But anyway, I still like to building the regular Lego brick compared to those ball joint. But however, this is very cool set for Lego fan to build it, especially you're a Star Wars fan. So today's video that's it. If you like my video, you can subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for support. Bye bye.